What's going on, everyone? If you are new here, my name is Shubham Drung, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button and become part of YouTube family. Now, I know lots of people are starting to build their wardrobe, and I am here to make sure that you do it right, because when I did it, I completely messed that up because I invested bunch of money on unnecessary clothes, shoes, accessories. I have lots of clothes and shoes that I have only wear it once, and after 3 to 4 months I have nothing to wear because trend comes and goes, trend phase out. So in this video we will talk about clothes and shoes that will never go out of trend and out of style. You can wear them every time and on every occasion. I'm going over basic jeans, short, t-shirt, winter fall down, shoes, accessories, literally everything. If you are ready, let's jump into the video. First thing every man should need is good pair of black jeans. Now let me show you something. These are faded. It's not because I washed them, they just came like this. You don't need them, but this you need them. They are solid black color, easy to style, which is from Levi's. You can style them with short t-shirt, boots, sneaker. We all know that black absorbs heat so much in summer, so for alternative you can switch to a pair of blue denim. Yes, if you love wearing wash color, you can invest in wash color, and if you don't love wearing wash all that much, you can invest in solid navy blue denim. You can style them with loafers, sneakers, boots, short t-shirt, coat. After all, choice is yours. To build a wardrobe, you should invest in this pair of jeans, blue, black. Now let's talk about t-shirt. You should have black and white plain t-shirt, not pattern or pockets all that much. To build your wardrobe, you can style them with same pair of jeans, blue or black. Just add some accessories to your outfit like rings, watch, cool bracelet and necklace. So when you add accessories to your outfit look more attractive and gives you a bad boys vibes. And spicy senorita wanna hang out with bad boys vibes. If you haven't watched my video, I have make full video about bad boys style. The link is in description box. Talking about short category, first short you should have to build your wardrobe is a plain white button down short. If you don't know how to style them, I have made full video about how to style white shirt. The link is in description box. Second, you need a good pair of denim. Yes, I have blue denim from N Denim and green denim from Zara. So to build your wardrobe, you should have this. This will never go out of style, out of trend. You can wear them with same pair of black blue jeans. You can wear them with same pair of black and white t-shirt. It's very hard to pull green denim, so you should have at least this in your wardrobe to build good wardrobe. So you can style them with black jeans, shorts, boots, sneakers, loafers, everything. I have got this pair of cool sets. This from Raven and this from Bishrom, which is Nepali brand. So you at least you should have one in your wardrobe. Cool set gives you bad boys vibes, and spicy senoritas wanna hang out with bad boys. Am I not looking hot? Yes. If you want to know how to style like a bad boy, I have made full video about how to style like a bad boy. The link is in description box. Now let's talk about accessories. Yes, purse. I have got this from Gucci, brown for brown belt. brown pants for brown belt and brown shoes, and black from Levi's, black for black belt and black shoes. Yes, it's all about color combination. That's how stylish people do it. If you want to look more stylish and want to be detail oriented, yes, it's all about color combination. Black for black, brown for brown. Talking about shoes category to build wardrobe, all we need is one pair of Chelsea boot and one pair of white sneaker. So if you want to know how to style black Chelsea boot or white sneaker, I have made full video about both shoes. The link is in description box. As we know that we are talking about basic, so if you are out of budget, invest in Gold Star. Yes, which is Nepali brand and sole is perfect. East and west, Gold Star is best. Now let's talk about winter fall down. Yes, first you should invest on sweatshirt, which is the most underrated because many men prefer hoodies over sweatshirt. So you can invest in orange, black, maroon, but I prefer maroon. Yes, for winter, maroon is best color for you. You can style them with sweatpant, dress pant, jeans. Literally, it goes with everything. After all, choice is yours. So get at least one pair of sweatshirt to build your wardrobe. And winter wardrobe is incomplete without leather jacket. Yes, without leather jacket, winter wardrobe is incomplete, guys. So I have got this from Classic. You can wear them formally, casually. It goes well with short and tie. It goes well with same black and white t-shirt. Just throw some black jeans on down and Chelsea boot on foot, and boom, you are ready to rock the winter. That's all, everyone. I hope this was informational and productive to you. If this was informational and productive to you, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you liked my video, don't forget to hit that like button